Welcome to our weight loss channel. Greenify, feel and look your best. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining optimal health and wellness can be challenging. Greenify is your ultimate solution to feeling and looking your best naturally. Whether you want to boost energy, enhance skin radiance, or improve overall well-being, Greenify offers plant-based, nutrient-rich solutions tailored for modern lifestyles. There is a link in the description to buy this great product at a discounted rate. Why choose Greenify? Greenify stands out by focusing on clean, sustainable, and science-backed wellness products. From superfood-packed greens powders to collagen-boosting elixirs, every product is designed to nourish your body from the inside out. Key benefits of Greenify. White heavy checkmark natural energy boost, no jitters, just clean fuel from superfoods. White heavy checkmark glowing skin and hair, hydration and collagen support for a youthful look. White heavy checkmark improved digestion, gut-friendly ingredients for better nutrient absorption. White heavy checkmark detox and immunity support, antioxidant-rich blends to fight free radicals. White heavy checkmark sustainable and eco-friendly, ethically sourced, plastic-free packaging. Top Greenify products to transform your health. Super Greens Powder, Ultimate Daily Nutrition. Packed with spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, and digestive enzymes, this powder helps alkalize the body, support digestion, and boost energy. Simply mix with water or add to smoothies for a daily nutrient punch. Video camera watch, how to make a Greenify super smoothie, brief 30-sec video showing preparation. Collagen Beauty Elixir, radiant skin and hair. Formulated with marine collagen, hyaluronic acid, and biotin, this elixir promotes skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and strengthens hair and nails. Detox Tea Blend, cleanse and refresh. A soothing blend of dandelion root, ginger, and turmeric to support liver function and flush out toxins naturally. How Greenify enhances your lifestyle. Herb for busy professionals. Quick nutrition without meal prep. Sustained energy without caffeine crashes. Sparkling heart for fitness enthusiasts. Faster recovery with anti-inflammatory ingredients. Muscle support with plant-based proteins. Cherry blossom for beauty lovers, clearer, glowing skin from within. Stronger nails and thicker hair. Real people, real results. Join the Greenify movement today. Ready to feel and look your best? Explore Greenify's range of wellness products and start your journey to vibrant health. Shopping cart shop now. Email subscribe for 10% off your first order. FAQs about Greenify. Question: Are Greenify products vegan friendly? A. Yes. All products are plant-based and cruelty-free. Question: How soon will I see results? A. Many users report feeling a difference within 1 to 2 weeks, with optimal results after consistent use. Question: Can I mix Greenify powders with other drinks? A. Absolutely. Add them to smoothies, juices, or even yogurt. Final thoughts. Greenify isn't just another wellness brand, it's a lifestyle upgrade. By incorporating nature's best ingredients into your routine, you can achieve better energy, glowing skin, and long-term vitality. Seedling Go Green, feel great. Click or copy and paste this link to get a discount for this product while the stock lasts. Please click or copy and paste this link to buy this product at the discount price, https.
Ugh.
/easyweightlosshop/2025/06/08/Greenify feel look your best / Don't wait. Start your journey. Feel the difference. Don't wait to start your journey to better health. Click the link and feel the Greenify difference today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.